So, okay, I hope I can keep the pace. And let me teach you with Hindi alphabets, or we call it Varnmala. Yeah. Hindi alphabets. And just as in English, we have vowels and consonants in Hindi as well. And today we will learn vowels. And it's easy. You just need, there are only few tones, and with other tones we'll just need make a little pace or a smoother tone of the previous one. Let's start and you will know how all of them sounds. So yeah, let's start. So first one is just like this. You can write like 3 and then tail and then 1, and that's how you write and it sounds like in English as well. Then so this one bar will make the sound a little longer. Like for example, for this one, for this it's only but for this one it will be okay. Yep. And let's go next. E. So this is called E, and how you can pronounce in using English character, maybe just E. And then comes another one, E. So this makes the tone a little bit longer. So here you only pronounce as E, but when you go with this one, which is adding this, so you can add ed. Okay, so hey, let's go next. Yep. So next one is oo. Just like 3, we write oo. I don't know if there is any sound I can use from Latin or English characters, but I hope it's easy for you. Just pronounce it as oo. And then another one comes, just a little longer sound, oo. Okay. Then another one we call re. And how to write it? Re. And it sounds like maybe just like R-I, re. Or maybe you can say, I think better is you use re, R-E. It's better. Yeah. Just like you say recap. So this re sounds just as this one. Okay. Let's go another one. And it's called A. Yeah. So you will say this sounds like A in English, correct? But so this one, when you write this word, you can pronounce as A when you read alphabets like A, B, C, D. But when you say a boy, so the sound of A changes, and that sound of A is here. A boy. So that A sound is like this, but when you say A, B, C, D, so this A sound is just like this. Okay, and next one, A. So this one is A, this one is A. So maybe you can, yeah, just like we say da da da, da A. And yeah, next one is O. O. So this gives it a tone of O, and maybe you can just pronounce that O. And another one is O. So difference is only you add 2 of this tone here, which is on O. So maybe like this, O. Yeah. Then there comes another one, So how do you pronounce this? This is pronounced as like a boy, right? But when you add this dot, it adds the sound of ang. So you can say So this one is sound as and the last vowel is So it's like when you add these two, the tone changes to So the first one, this is and then when you add this, so it's like you can say easy to pronounce, I guess, like AH, right? Now maybe can write some sentences. Let me think of simple sentence.